Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today, before I forget, I want to share with you guys this thing I've been working on now.
I'd like to introduce myself. Let's go! I'm out here making the max. I got it. Too good at being too bad.
So hey guys, so that's the new intro for the channel. So you probably saw like an intro in my last few videos like that, but this one's the final version of it. So yeah, for a couple of weeks now I've been going back and forth with my motion graphics style, but also working with another motion graphics person to give me other ideas as well. But yeah, so that's the final intro for my YouTube channel. So now that's gonna be in every single video moving on now. It's just something I wanted to start to do, of course, you know, now that you guys already saw the logo already, and now I have this new intro. So I'm slowly starting, of course, to build, you know, my YouTube channel and start to, you know, try to make a brand, like my brand, of course, so that it's known. And so yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Tell me guys in the comments below what you guys think about the new intro, if you guys like it or not. The music, of course, does change every single video, so you guys don't have to worry about listening to that song like again. Maybe I'll use it again because I really like it, it's catchy. But every single video is gonna have a new different song, of course. But yeah, it's just one of my favorite new things that I was really excited to share with you guys, and of course I couldn't really handle it, that I had to share like snippets of it on my last few videos. So you probably guys already noticed that, like I said. But yeah, the music, where I get the music, I'm actually using MusicBed. You probably guys have heard of it. Other YouTubers have like talked about it and everything. They're not sponsoring me or anything like that. I pay for it. I pay for the year because I really like the service, and it's just awesome to have, you know, music in your videos because it makes a huge difference, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little update on the channel. And don't worry guys, I saw your comments from the last video. I will not be doing any merch anytime soon right now, of course. I'm still 100% set on growing this channel, of course, first. So thank you guys for the input. I'm gonna take that, and yeah, so but for now I'm still growing this channel, and hope you guys enjoy this content. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace. Okay, just one more time, I'm going to play the new intro with the song because it's really sick, and I really am so happy that I have this now finally done. So yeah, enjoy.
I'd like to introduce myself. Let's go! I'm out here making